flesh-like and real seeming, that means something went horribly wrong when Bonnie tried to put that veil up. And here you two are having Dance Party USA.
You're right. Someone's going to be building these precious moments with my formerly dead best friend. I should be sacrificing my own happiness for the good of others, right? I should be upstairs grooming my hero hair.
Little message for you, Daddy. Straight from the mouth of a witch. That's ya. Need more Silas. Every more that you are.
I don't know who they are, so I guess I can't help you.
You know it's gonna need some help. Grandma and Grandpa Jones in town for the big high school graduation, along with Uncle Sue, Uncle Mark, in fact, everybody here. Yeah. Ordered to my jawhead friend, Kona. She's with like that.
Come on, man. They'd kill you.
Oh, you left me not well on the island where I starved to death. And I was all alone on the other side. The kids here found me and reminded me of my supernatural destiny. Kill Silas and then kill Silas.
Circle. Available at Walmart.
Okay, here it is. So, this is my first official tuna salad. I put some Parmesan, and Romano cheese on it. A little bit on the top. I used that Gerard's Greek feta salad dressing, which again, I rarely use salad dressing, but I just did a review on it on the video before this. Some homemade butter popcorn that I've been trying for like the past week or two. So, switching up diet a little bit. That one not so good, but this one good, obviously. So there you go. Next time, I'm thinking about cooking some egg whites because I use the carton egg whites. And I'll put those in there next time. So this is not the mushy tuna salads that you see in the store with all the mayonnaise and everything. No, I just put some Greek dressing on top a little bit. I cooked the tuna a little bit. I seasoned it with, with some seasonings that I like to use. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. So I'm about to watch Sailor Moon here. That's coming on Cartoon Network here, 4 p.m. This is my breakfast, yes, at 4 p.m. because I have terrible sleep schedules and everything, so let me enjoy. But here it is. Okay, so this tuna salad that I made tastes better than the salad I had a week ago from that Santorini Greek grill. And I had their salad, and now I wanted to make my own. And in my opinion, this tastes better. The only salt added is what was in, that Greek feta, the Gerard's salad dressing. So, yeah. And I'll try to keep improving on this. Next time I'll try some egg whites from the carton and see what that tastes like. But yeah, this is pretty solid. I think I impressed myself once again. People say I should have gone into culinary arts, but I wasted 10 years going to school for doing other things, animation. So I don't know. Don't know what to do anymore, but this is good. Just wanted to let you know. So there you go. Okay, it's Saturday night now, 10:57 p.m. And this time I have the eggs in there. Egg whites specifically, so no yellow yolk. But here you go. Using the Gerard's Greek feta. And again, this time I actually added some raw spinach because I ran out of the baby greens and the lettuce. So got the Parmesan and Romano. Put a little bit on that. But yeah, it looks good. Last time it was good. This time it'll probably be better with the egg whites. But again, I have the tuna in there. Chicken. Alright.